All right, folks, welcome to the video. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders, bringing you a live example taken by a friend of mine, right? So I can't take any credit for this trade. I was not present when it happened. I didn't take the trade myself, but a dear friend of mine who is a fellow Hawkeye user, somebody who I trade with every single day. He's just a true gentleman. He took this trade and he sent me a text message. He wanted me to know about it because, I mean, it was just a phenomenal trade, right? So let's talk about it. What you're looking at here is a 3-minute chart of light sweet crude oil futures. And if I scale out, start looking for that highest volume, where did it come in? Well, right here. Into the 230 close, right? So the candle leading into the 230 close of the crude oil session. Highest selling volume, super clear volume climax, big engulfing bar to follow it, and just a great reversal. All right. Now, my friend, he got in this based on what he saw here: volume climax, engulfing bar. Market walked back higher. He exited the trade before the closing bell. Now, inside of the blog post, I'm going to include the text message that he sent to me. I'm not going to include his name just for privacy reasons, but I'm going to just share with you what he shared with me, right? Like, this is a real live trader taking a real live trade, managing it, exiting it, handling it, right? All the things that we as live traders have to deal with on a regular basis. He nailed it, guys, right? Why did he nail it? Because he understood the relationship between volume and price action. Now, if that's not a relationship that you are familiar with, it is one that you need to become familiar with. And what I'd like to do is invite you to join me inside of a live training webinar session. Inside this session, we're going to get together. I'm going to dive into this concept. I'm going to go deep into it, right? We're going to uncover this unique relationship that transpires between volume and price action. Because if you understand what's happening, when, where, and why, you have a really high probability of understanding what's likely to then happen next, right? The Hawkeye indicators have been instrumental in this for me throughout my trading career, okay? Huge tool that I use every single day. I mean, puts meaning on every trade I take. All right, guys, so I'd like you to dive into this concept with me. If you're a day trader, a swing trader, a position trader, irrelevant, okay? Stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, options, again, irrelevant. You still need to understand the interaction between volume and price action that is congruent across all those time frames and all those asset classes. Now, our Hawkeye volume will print on NinjaTrader, TradeStation, TradingView, and MetaTrader. Okay, you can trade your stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, so on and so forth, but you must understand how these two interact with one another. And once you do, it really sheds light on what the market's doing, when, where, and why. All right, and in doing that, guys, it increases your odds of placing continual successful trades, right? Now, we all know that there's a balance between wins and losses, but what if you could add just perhaps the most important component to the confirmation of the next trade you take? And you could if you're populating the Hawkeye volume indicators. So click that link below this video. I'll see you inside the training webinar. We'll dive deeper into this concept and then get these indicators up on your charting platform and get you access to the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series. I'll see you there, guys. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I look forward to working with you.